Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2012 Honda CBR250R. This lightweight sport bike, fuel injected, liquid cooled, over 70 miles per gallon. It's a great bike to learn how to ride on. Price to sell at just $29.99. Fantastic condition. It's got a rear rack on it. It's got a flashing headlight to let people see you coming. Only 19,000 miles on this gorgeous black, satin black CBR250R. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.